Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use your Wise card on Amazon. First, sign in to your Amazon account and head to the Payments section in your account settings. Click on Add a Payment Method, then choose Add a Credit or Debit Card. Now enter your Wise card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code, just like you would with any other card. Once saved, your Wise card will appear as one of your available payment options. When you're ready to make a purchase, go to Checkout and select your Wise card as the payment method. Amazon will charge your order directly to your Wise balance or linked account, making it seamless for both local and international purchases. This is especially useful if you want to take advantage of Wise's low conversion fees when shopping from other countries. And that's it! Your Wise card is now set up and ready to use on Amazon. Subscribe the channel for more videos.